everyone, my name is Gabriela and I would love to help you study English. I'm 23 years old and originally from Romania. I completed my bachelor's degree in political science and philosophy in the United States. I studied abroad in South Africa, Finland, and Germany, and I currently live in Finland. I speak English and Romanian fluently, German at an intermediate level, and I'm currently learning Finnish. As an undergraduate, I worked both as a writing and a logic tutor, which helped me gain very valuable multicultural teaching experience. În timpul liber, îmi place să citesc și să am grijă de hamsterul meu. Tradițiile și cultura română îmi sunt dragi, așa că dacă doriți să aflați mai multe despre România, sunt nerăbdătoare să vă împărtășesc din experiențele mele. As a teacher, I am flexible and encouraging and will always remind you to give yourself grace in the learning process. My teaching style is student-driven, so we will spend the first session talking about your own learning preferences as well as goals and your current language level. Afterwards, I will adapt each lesson to suit your needs. I will give out homework, which we will review each session. I am happy to work with both beginner learners as well as advanced speakers. I can help you develop your conversation skills for everyday use, your grammar and vocabulary, as well as give you guidance for preparation for standardized tests such as the IELTS or the TOEFL. I can give you guidance for academic work and for job interviews, as well as help you improve your writing skills. In my lessons, I will use free online resources, texts, videos, presentations, and news articles. I am extremely excited about meeting you and thankful for the opportunity to support you in your journey. I know that we will learn lots from each other and have fun studying English. Please book a lesson soon, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.